English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 8, Conversion of Time. Number 8, a train leave Dhaka at 10:15 and reach Rajshahi 16:25 p.m. Number A, how many hours and minute does the train take to reach Rajshahi from Dhaka? And number B, how many seconds does the train take to reach Dhaka, Rajshahi from Dhaka? Number A, duration from the duration 10:50 to 16:25. We know that in an hour has 60 minutes. Okay, that means 60:25 minus 10:50 equal to 5 hours and 35 minutes. And number B, duration in second, that means 5 hours and 35 minutes. If we convert in second, that means 3600 second in a hour. That means 5 into 3600 plus 35 into 60 equal to 18,000 plus 2100. That means 20,100 second the train need to reach Rajshahi from Dhaka. Thank you.